Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Margurita, and in today's video I'm going to show you a day in a life vlog, what I eat in a day, what is my lifestyle, what I do. So I'm going to take you throughout my journey, what I do. Take a cup of coffee in the morning. Every day I do that. Today I made a little change of coffee in a tumbler, no milk. So I'm going to try that. I have with me this one. So usually I take coffee in a cup. So today I am taking coffee in my tumbler, and I didn't add any milk today here. Just the black coffee and monk fruit, because I avoid the regular sugar, the confectionery sugar, white sugar. So I take monk fruit. So I add monk fruit in my coffee. So I will take you with me what I eat in a day and what I do in a day.
This is when I go drop my son, and this is my favorite time of the day. We chat so many things, and he's a very good speaker, and this is how I also get my steps. And when I come home, I do more exercise, freehand exercise, yoga, and then I start to-do list.
I just dropped my son in the school,
did my exercise. Now I have few clothing to try on before I cut all the labels, so I need to wash. Before washing, I'm trying this on so that to know if it is fit. So I'm loving this one, and the texture clothing is very nice, and the second one is also my favorite.
so flowy. It has a lot of room. I actually can hide my belly fat, even though I lost so much pound. But as a mummy belly, I still have some loose belly, and middle section is not what I feel so much comfortable. But I know it's not the end of the life, so I am happy with my body and how I look, and I'm loving this dress. Let me know what you think about this pink one. And I think I need a belt here, so maybe that will make more changes like this. So yes, this actually make a huge difference with this belt. So yes, I am loving this dress. Pink is my favorite. For me it's up. For me it's good. Let me know in the comment what do you think about this pink. The third one, the third dress that I got from Costco. This is like a maxi type where you can wear in the summer, or whenever you want to have a light dress. It's very loose and a lot of space inside, and like the texture on the top. This is so good, that shapes me well, and also have pocket, so that is so nice to have. And I think I like this color, peach. This is my block color, and the flower, small flowers, is also my favorite. And I'm going to keep this one. This is so good. What do you think about this third dress? I can add a belt here, so it will look more. But not least, the same type of dress but in a black. The other one was in peach. So this is, I added my belt. So I think this one is a very good quality and comfortable dress that I can wear in summer, and I am loving this cloth. I will definitely wear more while I'm going to beach or walking around, or at home also. It will be so comfortable to wear and do my blog. And I'm loving this one because it's in summer. We need some like a cotton type dress. I'm not sure if it is cotton or not, but it is so comfortable. Let me show you the other color. I just wear the peach one, and this one is the black one. So I'm thinking to keep the both, so then I can wear it at home, also outside, to drop my son, to pick up my son, or do grocery, or go out to eat, or anything I want to do. So I'm loving this dress. Let me know which one is your favorite one, number one, two, or three. So is that three or four? That is the fourth dress that I'm showing. The first one was black, and the second one was the pink one. Let me show you again. This one I wear first. This is like a gym type clothing that I might wear in my exercise or in the beach when I'm in water. I I feel shy to wear a bikini in front of a lot of people, so I like to have something like that can cover me well, and also I can enjoy water. So this will be very good option for me, and also I can wear for my exercise. This one I like it so much. And the second one was this pink. This one I also love it. All this color is, this is so flowy and a lot of space inside, and the quality of the cloth is very good, and the collar, especially the collar, I like the collar here. And third one is the peach dress, same like the one I'm just wearing, the black one. So this fourth dress I ordered, or not ordered, I bought it from Costco. So let me know which one you like the most, and I will love to hear from. So these are the clothes that I just showed you that I gave a try. So I'm going to wash it, but I do not want to wash like a regular process. I regularly wash my cloth because these are the new cloth. So it's not that dirty, but I just want all the germs to go away. So that's why I am going to dam it with some water. So I'm going to put this inside my dryer, not the washer, so then it will not get that much wrinkle. This is the way I want to dry it. Let's see how it works. So I will dam it a little bit, so then it will be not too much water, but it will get a little bit of moist, and then we'll do the dryer. We'll go by usual time, like we'll give 60 minutes, 1 hour, or maybe less because I have water. So maybe 40 minutes. Let's see how it goes, okay? So I will come back. So for today, I'm going to cook this broccoli that I bought from Costco. I might add few potato for my family, and these are the fishes that I need to cook. This is the fish. Maybe you see if you follow me, or you might not have seen this kind of fishes. So this I will make curry. This is we call kaski, kajuli, and papda. fish that I'm going to cook today with beside of the vegetable will be broccoli in a side. Before I start my cooking and cutting vegetables, I need to have a cup of tea to have some energy to do the work and will make me feel energized. So I used the regular tea bag and monk fruit to taste like sweet, and the carnation not having heavy cream. Now in my coffee or tea, I'm having the carnation. It doesn't have much calorie, and it only have 20 gram of calorie and 2 grams of carb and 1 gram of sugar, so which is not bad. So I'm going to have my tea and we'll cut all these vegetables, onion, potato, and the broccoli that I just showed you, and then we'll start cooking.
So I have done cutting all the vegetables, so it's now time for cooking.
One thing I wanted to share with you about my life while cooking. My cooking is not finished yet. This morning, when I was dropping my son said something that touched my heart so much that I wanted to share. That he said, "Mom, you didn't take me to the school yesterday, and I missed you so much, and I don't want you to separate myself from you for 1 inch, and not even a day, never ever." So I was, oh my God, okay. I'm so sorry. I said, "I'm so sorry that I couldn't take you yesterday, but I'm taking today." So this is the thing I think all the mom face. For myself, like before giving birth of my child, I was always a working girl, but I took time to raise him. And when he started going to school, I started working. I'm a EC teacher, supply in Catholic School Board in Ontario, Canada. So I get to choose the days I want to work, the days I don't want to go to work. Like when I'm sick, when my son is sick, when my mom is sick, I can have that flexibility to choose my hours, choose my days. So I think all the mom faces that, like they want to be with their kid, and but that it's not enough. So just now I finished cooking, so I wanted to show you what I just made. Let me show you in the other side. So this is the broccoli vegetable just made with potato, and this is the fish, kaski mas is kaski fish, and this is the papta fish, And this is the kajuli fish. I just finished cooking all this, and then this will go for probably 2 days with the lunch pack. And for family of 5, so this is enough. And my plate will be like this salad. This is, I'm going to eat salad and fishes from here and vegetable. If I feel, I might take little bit of rice, maybe a small amount of rice. So that will be my meal for today. I'm going to break my fast with this delicious meals. So my plate looks like this. All my vegetable from here to here, and fish in both side. I forgot to keep it in one side. This is also a fish, and also these are the fish as well. So I'm going to enjoy my food while eating. If I feel like I need little more carb, like if I need to eat little rice with that after finishing my salad, I will do that later. But usually I eat like this. It's a low carb, high protein meal that I'm going to enjoy.
So now it's time to pick up my son from his school. So I'm wearing that black dress that I just showed you earlier, and I just washed it, dried it, and wearing to pick up my son. I'm loving it with the belt. It really feels like it is shaping me well and it looks good. So I am going to pick up him now. So my son has come from school and I also have an appointment to see a doctor. I'm having some food issue, so that is taken care of in my food clinic. So that's why I am in a food clinic. And I am very happy that you watch my video. Please subscribe if you learn anything from my channel and stay tuned for more video coming next.